Conversation between two friends about I went shopping. Hi, Sarah. Good afternoon. Hi, Lizzie. Good afternoon. Sarah, what did you do today? I went shopping today. What did you buy? I bought a few things. I bought a blue coat that I am wearing. Do you like it? Yeah, I like it a lot. It is very pretty. Where did you buy it from? At the mall on 5th Street. Was it expensive? No. It was not expensive. It was on sale for $200. Wow. That is cheap. I know. It was a really good deal. You are right. And what did you buy? I bought shoes for me. And I bought a dress for Jess. That is great. How much did the dress cost? I bought a dress for $1,000. Oh. The dress was too expensive. I know. But I thought that dress would look good on Jess. Did she like it? She liked it a lot. Okay. What time is it by your watch? It is 5 o'clock now. Oh. I am getting late to go home. I have to go home now. See you later. Bye. Bye. Take care of yourself. You too. If you like this video, so don't forget to like and share my video. Please press the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.